Pristine home with amazing updates. 633 Donna Circle is just beautiful. There is wonderful natural light throughout, new appliances, newly painted walls, and a vaulted ceiling. Enjoy cooking a delicious meal for your family in this inviting open-space kitchen with a refreshing ambience. The kitchen is inviting and crisp, from the gorgeous countertops to the beautiful navy blue cabinets and stainless steel appliances. After a long hard day of work, relax in your oversized walk-in shower and take it easy in your spacious master bedroom. The backyard is a great place to barbecue on the weekends and host small get-togethers for your family and friends. Come take a look at this gem today, it won't last long. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903 874 0001, that's 903 874 0001.